So in 1964, Sir Arthur C. Clarke quoted that the most intelligent inhabitants of future world won't be men or monkeys, they will be machines, the remote descendants of today's computers. Artificial intelligence has been a buzz for a few years now, and now the famous ChatGPT, I know you have probably used it for writing full essays for your college or university, and the virtual assistant built to your smartphones. These things are here for make our lives easier, and that promises to revolutionize the world we live in. But what is exactly AI and how does it work? In this video, I'm going to talk about how AI works in the simplest form, the advantages and some disadvantages of AI and you should know about. So AI refers to the ability of mimicking human cognitive functions such as learning, problem solving and making decisions. The most common AI technique used today is called as deep learning, which is a type of machine learning. Deep learning involves training neural networks to recognize patterns in data by using large number of datasets. As an example, in the kindergarten, we learn the alphabet from A to Z and we acquire that information and use it to create words and sentences and to solve problems. Like that, most of the AI systems are designed to learn from the experience and adapt to the new situation and make decisions based on the available information, like Ultron. Remember Ultron?
I'm a peacekeeping program created to help the Avengers.
Like that. So that is the simplest way to picture what is AI means. So the advantages of AI is numerous. It can help to automate our tasks that are time consuming and error prone, such as data entry, image and speech recognition and fraud detection. It also improves decision making in various fields including healthcare, finance and transportation. Self-driving cars are one of the best examples for AI, which is used by Tesla. They use over 500,000 Teslas all over the world to gather data, train their automated car algorithm. They use AI to understand and anticipate the next movement of cars and pedestrians and cyclists. This data can help to improve the split-second decisions like should the car stay in the same lane, should it go to the next lane, should it pass this vehicle, or should it apply brakes, should it accelerate, and also AI-powered virtual assistant like Siri, Alexa, Google, Bixby, you name it. It's become increasingly popular, making our lives more easier. Like, we can answer our calls using virtual assistants and you can do stuff with your virtual assistant.
What did he say?
That came out completely wrong. You can use virtual assistant to play your music, turn on the lights, turn off the lights, put the blinds, record a video, take a photograph. You can do many things using a virtual assistant. You can search, you can ask for the weather, you can do many things by using virtual assistant. And also AI is used in manufacturing industry and logistics industry to improve efficiency and reduce the cost. Now robots can perform tasks such as picking and packing items, allowing humans to focus on more complicated tasks. As we know, Amazon began this in their facilities in 2012, and since the company added more than 1 million jobs worldwide and simultaneously deploying 350,000 mobile drive units robot. Despite of all these advantages, every good thing comes with something bad. Some people fear that AI will lead to a job loss, making machines as machines become more capable for performing tasks that once done by humans. There are also concerns about privacy and security. And also AI algorithms can be biased and discrimination as they learn from the data may contain inherent biases. And now the AI can generate images like the DALL-E. You can generate a few images that you want, like a panda sleeping on a spaceship, like that, anything you want. And also AI can create situations that never happen, like the images went viral on Donald Trump getting arrested or the Pope wearing a white cloak. Those are never happened, but it's so realistic. And also, as I mentioned before, ChatGPT is now becoming the way to write full essays for schools, and it has claimed that more than 80% of students are using this ChatGPT to do their homeworks. And I mean, it is good for a tool, but a long-time effect. They don't learn anything. As a kid who does not understand the value of knowledge that he or she can gain, that might kill the analytical thinking of their child. So there is this very serious question going forward in the future. Where do we fit to the picture? We won't be able to do anything. So when we think about negative effects of AI, from the top of the head, we're gonna get, they will become so advanced, they will able to think and inevitably deciding to disobey humans and take off the world.
So I wanted to take this time to explain my evil plan.
But the bigger problem we are facing right now is not the possibility of AI disobeying us or refusing to do what we say, but now it's going to do exactly what we say. Since AI does not know what's right or wrong, it's impossible to program a machine language without biases like this. This thing can go out of hand, but can we stop AI? I don't think so. It's too late to put the genie back in the bottle. But the next best thing that we can do is to adapt to how to use AI as a tool, but not controlled by a tool. I hope you learned something about AI. That's been it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and comment, and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification icon so you will always get notified. So that's been it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.